ladies, how you doing? Today it's a quick stir fry using some different veggies that I have. Some Asian veggies here, some cabbage, some beautiful mushrooms. Over here I have some sugar, brown sugar, and I have some 5-spice, and I also have some more ginger to make it a little more punchy. And in this bowl I have what we call somewhat of a trinity, because it is onion, it is peppers, look at the colorful peppers here, and some carrots, okay? And so today what we're going to do is do a stir fry, and we're going to serve it. I have noodles going over here on the stove with some beautiful nakisoba noodles, and I'm gonna just let them sit right in here just like that, and they'll be ready to go when I'm ready.
They're steaming, I see.
Yeah, they're perfect. They're just perfect, Anthony. All right, so first thing we're gonna do as we move forward here today is we're going to go right in with our onions and carrots and peppers, just like this. And you can hear it, it's sizzling already, right? Okay, so there we go, we got that going. And then what I want to do is, let's get our veggies here. The last thing I'm gonna put in today is going to be some of this cabbage to steam it in so everything goes in together, okay? Now, I have some over here chicken broth, and I have here some teriyaki sauce so that I can give it a little zip with some teriyaki. We're just going to go across like this, just across, just to start it, because I'm going to make a sauce with this brown sugar and this ginger and this 5-spice, okay? But first what I want to do is get these steaming so they can get nice and wilted and good, and then we'll throw in our next veggies on top of this and get it all melded together. And we have over here our noodles, our nakisoba noodles. Those are ready to go. And so all we're going to do is just give this, and I gave it one little spray of olive oil. And then what we're going to do is put the lid on this, and we're going to let it, see how the steam is coming off it? They're cooking, starting to cook already.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm going to put the lid on it, and we're going to talk about some things here while I'm doing that. Okay, so you can do this many different ways. You can do this with regular, what they call sesame oil. And I have some here, sesame oil. As a matter of fact, I'm going to give this just a dash of sesame oil right now. There we go. And we'll see how it tastes as we get through, and I'll probably finish up with just giving it a drizzle on top. And sesame oil is one of the things that in these stir fries and these Chinese little vegetable mixes, and you can put meat, you don't have to put meat. Today I'm doing some of these pork, beautiful pork wontons, okay? And I am not cooking them. I'm steaming them in the pot there, and they're going to sit in the water. Then I'm going to put them on top of everybody's dish when we serve this, so you have a little meat. These are pork ones, and they'll be very delicious, okay? All right, so we've got this going in here, and you guys can hear it. And we're just going to...
Oh, yeah.
And now you can kind of smell a little bit of that oil I put. So we want to try and keep our oil as low as we can, unless you're into using a lot of oil. And now you can see how it's glistening from the oil. Everything is glistening nice. Okay. And we're just going to add things in one at a time as we move across. Okay. So we're going to let these cook for a little bit, and then we'll be back in the next tape and show you how the next things go in to making our little Chinese stir fry with yakisoba noodles and some wontons today steamed. Okay, so this is Peter Carpizzos, wishing you all the best. Thank you for watching. Out.